Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum on your face at night. Applying vitamin C serum before bed offers several advantages for your skin. During the night, your skin is in repair mode, making it an ideal time for the serum to work its magic without interference from environmental stressors. This also helps prevent any potential sun sensitivity that can sometimes arise with daytime use, ensuring your skin gets the full benefit. Before applying your vitamin C serum, proper skin preparation is key for optimal results. First, thoroughly cleanse your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils accumulated throughout the day. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. After cleansing, gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. It is crucial that your skin is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Now for the application. Dispense about 3 to 5 drops of your vitamin C serum onto your clean fingertips. Gently pat the serum evenly across your entire face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. Do not rub vigorously. A gentle patting motion helps with absorption. Allow the serum a few minutes, typically between 2 and 5 minutes, to fully absorb into your skin before proceeding with other products. After your vitamin C serum has fully absorbed, follow up with a hydrating moisturizer to lock in moisture and support your skin barrier. This helps to seal in the benefits of the serum. When starting, use the vitamin C serum 3 to 5 nights per week. As your skin adjusts and builds tolerance, you can gradually increase the frequency if desired, always listening to your skin's unique needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.